We are going to test our kit to refill our Vertuo Pod, and this kit comes with a spoon and it has a flat head to press it, aluminum foils, and refill and seal kit. So these are the four components in the kit. We put the old pod into this receiving cup, take this foil out, fill it with any coffee you like, and then press it down with the flat head. And then this is something to press and seal it. However, I don't see that there is any pressure. I'm not sure if this is really going to work. And then these are some of the aluminum foil. So a normal or a regular Starbucks coffee would weigh, let's see, approximately 14 grams. Here is the cup which is filled with coffee, and it's approximately 15 gram. Next step would be to take one of these foils out and put it over here. So this is what a foil looks like. Looks like there's some glue on the edges. Let's put it on. It is slightly bigger than the cup itself. So now let's press it on and see if we get any better result of sealing. I don't think that this press has done anything. You still need to make sure that it's properly sealed on the edges. Now let's see if it works. It looks like it's working. Once it's done brewing the coffee, we will check the condition of the pod. Now let's check the pod condition. Okay, looks like the foil is still intact as it should be. There are no rips or breakage, so I guess you can buy one of these refill and seal kits and enjoy the coffee of your own style and taste. And hopefully this is helpful to a lot of people. Thank you and have a good day.